Good morning, students. I am Kalpana, your English educator from DAV Police Public School, Kurukshetra. Today, on the occasion of Anti-Terrorism Day, we are here to spread awareness on this important topic. What is terrorism, students? Terrorism is an act which aims to create fear among ordinary peoples through illegal means. It includes people and groups who spread violence, kidnappings, fights, bombing, etc. Our nation has witnessed several terror attacks so far, like Pulwama attack in 2019, Uri attack in 2016, Mumbai attack in 2008, and Parliament attack in 2001. Why is Anti-Terrorism Day observed on 21st May? The official announcement of National Anti-Terrorism Day was made after the assassination of India's 7th Prime Minister, Shri Rajiv Gandhi ji, on 21st May 1991. He was killed in Tamil Nadu in a campaign by the terrorists. Then under VP Singh's government, the Centre has decided to observe 21st May as Anti-Terrorism Day. On this day, anti-terrorism pledge is taken in all the government offices, public sector undertakings, and other public institutions, etc. Therefore, on 21st May, every year, Anti-Terrorism Day is observed to provide knowledge to the youth about terrorism, its impact on human sufferings and lives. This day also makes people aware of an anti-social act of terrorism. Now let's talk about the objectives behind celebrating Anti-Terrorism Day. To spread the message of peace and humanity, to increase awareness among people about these terrorist groups and how they plan to strike the terror. To promote unity among the people by planting a seed of unity among the people, to provide education and training to the youngsters. This will prevent them from joining such terrorist groups. To generate awareness in the country about the danger of terrorism, violence, and its dangerous effect on the people, society, and whole country. So, students, this is our responsibility to educate ourselves as well as the society. The youngster, that is you, the future of our nation, are the ones who must keep the country safe. Let us together pledge that by 2022 we build a new terrorism-free India. Let's take this pledge. We, the people of India, having abiding faith in our country's tradition of non-violence and tolerance, hereby solemnly affirm to oppose with our strength all forms of terrorism and violence. We pledge to uphold and promote peace, social harmony, and understanding among all fellow human beings, and fight the forces of disruption threatening human lives and values. Now I would like to conclude this small talk with these beautiful lines. No religion is responsible for terrorism. People are responsible for violence and terrorism. Thank you. Have a nice day.